I get the privilege of chatting to Claire and Aaron in our hot seat today.
So we couldn't afford to lose half a minute, let alone hours. So for me, the biggest mindset change is I'm going to have to allow the errors. I have to allow the errors in order to A, teach them, but B, to make sure I'm not doing it. Otherwise, I'm always doing it. So, you know, I'm there and I can hear things and I steer things a little bit, but I'll let them go so far and then I'll jump in. So my mindset has changed from actively getting in and just bloody getting in the way, really, to really stepping back, staying in the office where I can.
There are no limits and there are no rules. And I love that about the way you guys have really taken that on.
But I had a really good coaching session with Chris one day and he just said, look, it happens. It doesn't matter who you are. They're going to mess up. Just got to get over it and handle it. Aaron's good at handling those things when they go wrong. So I just have to have faith. So I was kind of handbraking him a little bit as well. So as we've both kind of changed our mindsets, we've kind of pushed forward. We both have to work through a fair bit of stuff, but every little bit we work through on our mindset, we take another step forward in business.
Being part of this group and this network of people that you and Rachael created is is testament to why we are where we're at, today as versus almost 12 months ago. I'd say probably pretty close to 12 months ago, really.